Hi, my name is Josie Grooms, and I'll be teaching 2nd grade ESL in Berclair Elementary, and I am proud to be part of the Graham Heights neighborhood. So welcome to Graham Heights. Where is Graham Heights? A lot of people don't know where it is. It is right off of Summer and is containing these high school, middle school, and elementary schools. It is an extremely diverse neighborhood with 40% Hispanic, 35% white, and 25% black, as well as refugees from all around the world and immigrants. I'm going to show you some resources that are in the Graham Heights neighborhood. We as a group, people as well teaching in the Graham Heights neighborhood, got the opportunity to go around and see the different resources that are in the Graham Heights. My first resource is called Su Casa. It is located on Graham Street. We got to meet with several of the Su Casa staff, and they were pleased to have us in their building. Su Casa offers English classes to adults. While these English classes take place, Su Casa also offers childcare that integrates English language learning. You can also volunteer at Su Casa. It is a wonderful, wonderful place where parents can learn English in order to better understand the world they live in and their teachers. Another resource was the Memphis Athletic Ministry, also known as MAM. MAM is located on Macon Road. They have locations all around Memphis. It is a great ministry where kids can go and be themselves and play sports, but MAM's first priority is the kids' education. That's why they offer tutoring at their locations and to improve literacy skills, It is located also in partnership with Leawood Baptist Church, which is in the neighborhood. Another resource is the Randolph location of the Memphis Public Library. It is very easy to get a library card here where kids and teachers alike can access books, movies, and so many e-resources. It's on Given Avenue, right across from the Boys and Girls Club. They also have special events for students where they can go and hear a book read aloud and just fun literacy events that promote reading. Another resource in the Graham Heights neighborhood is the Heights Community Development Corporation. Their offices are located on Highland. We met with Jared, who was married to someone doing MTR, and who did MTR. How can I help? Questions about legal situations are always welcomed at the Heights CDC. If a kid has their water shut off or maybe electricity shut off, this is something you can approach the people who work at the Heights CDC with. They are very open to helping sort out legal troubles. They will also help you find a home in the neighborhood. 20% of homes in the Graham Heights neighborhood are abandoned and empty, and the Heights wants to go in and renovate these homes and make them want people to live in them. The Boys and Girls Club of Greater Memphis is located on South Rembert Street, right across from the library. It is a wonderful place where kids can go to do all sorts of things, such as read, play sports, record music. They have a whole recording studio, play ping pong, and just get mentored by some of the most loving people I've ever met. You can volunteer there and always recommend it to kids to go and hang out after school. There are some of the great resources of the Graham Heights neighborhood. I'm so excited to be teaching at Berclair this year and being able to utilize all the wonderful things in Graham Heights. Thank you so much for listening. Bye!